Alright, so as you can see, I'm testing this Fantech Leviosa microphone directly in raw motion. Like, no edits, no nothing. The only thing I'm editing is like me putting this part and then the other parts where I'm gonna be putting the part where how do I say this in English? Yep, so the part where I show this in person, like the microphone itself and how the mute button works. Right now, I put this at 50% audio gain and 0% of echo. I think. Yep, now it's 0% echo. But you probably noticed it that it's catching the background noise from it, which at this point it proves two things. One is that this footage is completely raw and it's not edited. But another thing is that this microphone catches the background noise really well. So you might have to do a little bit of noise cancellation kind of thing in the Audacity, which I'm using right now. So what do you guys think? I personally think that the audio is pretty decent for the price range that it is, but I'll let you guys decide, because at the end of the day, you guys will be the ones who will probably be buying this product. But from now on, from every video of mine, this is the microphone that I'll be using. And I'll be using this until, let's say, for some unforeseen circumstances, this microphone gets damaged, which I hope it doesn't, because I plan to use it for a very long time. So yeah, this is what the audio sounds like using the microphone itself, completely raw. And I'm going to show you how it sounds like. No, not sounds like. I'm gonna show you how it looks from in person. Yep, so this is what the microphone looks like in its full glory. As you can see, the top part is kind of showing its RGB effect. And by the way, this is what it looks like without this pop filter above it. And I'm also recording the audio directly from the microphone itself, as you can see from the Audacity that's running over here. But I wonder what it would sound like if I mute it. Let's see. Well, I guess the mute button works in the end. And I don't know if I should call it like a mute button or like a power button, but to me it kind of looks like a power button, because, So, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit over here. Yep, there it is, the Fantech. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, there it is, the Fantech microphone, Leviosa. Now, I do not plan on making an unboxing video of this, because so many YouTubers have already done it. So I personally don't feel like doing it. Even though I already unboxed it, but I'm not gonna make an unboxing video or whatever. But yeah, this is what the microphone sounds like. And then even for this one, I'm also using the Fantech microphone. Let me show you that. Where is it? Advanced of no, sorry, not this one. Properties. Yep, there you go. Fantech Leviosa. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is it worth the investment, or is it not? I don't know. But me personally, I'm pretty satisfied with this. So yeah, I hope you find this video useful, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.